Every few years, there comes a tool that every digital marketer just has to have. You know how ClickFunnels became such a huge phenomenon and it helped a lot of digital marketers set up their funnels and businesses and whatnot? Well, one of the tools that I've been using for the past several years that I've actually talked about in the past as well has helped me to such an extent that it has actually helped me come out of some weird situations, both professional as well as personal. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about my love story with Canva.com and how I've been using this not just to create things like, let me tell you, YouTube thumbnails, e-com product images, Facebook covers, logos, Instagram posts and stories, and a lot of other things. Those are really standard things for designing, right? But Canva has actually helped me out in some weird situations as well. Let me tell you how. And no, this video is not sponsored by Canva. This is just my tribute to a tool that has helped me immensely in the past 3-4 years. Let's start off with something you might be familiar with. You remember this dropshipping handbook? Well, this was created on Canva. This entire thing, let me just show you, like this colorful, glossy little thing. This entire thing was created on Canva. And this is such an amazing thing. Like when I decided to actually release this handbook, I had no idea how to make it. I was like thinking first I'll just create like a text document and export it, add some template to it and whatnot. But then when I saw that Canva has a feature, add a page. So I was like, wait, books have pages. So why not create a book using Canva? So I actually created multiple pages, including the cover, the back cover, the front cover, all the inner pages, designed all of them the way I wanted to. And it helped me create like such a stunning document. I'll give you a quick glimpse of what it looks like. You see here, so everything is customized here. The people who received this document in my bootcamp were pretty happy. And not just this little dropshipping handbook, but I also created a what to do when booklet. And all of this was again created using Canva. Now the good part about Canva is once you have Canva Pro, then you can actually create pretty large documents. And for me at least, Canva Pro is basically like a no-brainer because it helps me in so many different places. And it is also something that I can now use to collaborate with people. So inside Canva Pro, you can actually have, let's say, your colleagues with whom you can actually open up a design document at the same time and help each other design it out, flesh it out, and make the entire final file. Because earlier Canva had a weird problem, like it wouldn't, if somebody had the document open, it wouldn't let somebody else edit that same document. Since they launched this collaboration thing, my life has become really easy. Now books and booklets and flyers, well, I've done all of that and it still may not be as weird as an example, but check this out. I actually created examples and templates for the wedding invitation that we are going to send to our guests for my brother-in-law and his to-be wife. They finalized one of these designs, they loved it, and now we are good to go. Now check this out. This little one-pager is basically an insert that we use in our product packaging. So if somebody actually orders a product from us on our e-commerce store, we put this insert in the package and ship it out to the customer. This has helpful instructions and links where they can actually contact us, review us, and a lot of other things that they can do with the product. And this little gesture actually helps create an impression among the buyer that the company is actually out here to do good. And the cool part is this little flyer that we designed on Canva in just maybe an hour or 2 hours has gone out to almost 80 to 90,000 customers. Now, if you guys follow me on my Hindi channel, you know that we created a print on demand store for Indian market. And I actually tested out like nearly 40 to 50 designs, and guess where I created all of those POD designs? On Canva. POD designs need to be like high resolution. They need to have vector files. They need to have big file sizes. So Canva actually helps you create these big file sizes that you can directly upload to your POD provider and print high resolution stuff on t-shirts, pillowcases, wherever you want. Now these are just a few of the designs we printed on our t-shirts, and there are a bunch of them. Now an interesting story is Shopify invited me to speak at an event in Mumbai. Some of you watching this may have been to that event. So for that event, they asked me to prepare like a document explaining my dropshipping journey. So I was like, how do I prepare that presentation? I wanted it to be like a simple but really cool presentation. I went on to canva.com, saw like literally as soon as I logged in, I was like, they feature a few templates on the homepage, right? So one of those templates templates was a neat little presentation template, which instantly I fell in love with. I just opened up, edited it up here and there, and within like an hour or 2 hours, I had this entire presentation ready, good to go, and I sent it out to the Shopify team and presented this on stage. How cool does this presentation look? I really love this presentation, how it came out, and I've actually used parts of this presentation in one of my videos as well. And believe it or not, we actually used Canva to design our product labels as well. So this is one of our brands that we launched, and the product labels that I actually stuck on the box and the jars of the products for that brand were all designed on Canva. It is actually crazy to actually look back and see how Canva has helped me through the years in achieving so much and helping me build and just express my creativity in so many different ways. And believe it or not, I've actually created some videos that I've used in Facebook ads inside Canva. So yes, you can create videos inside Canva as well. They have these animated stickers that you can overlay over images, create a nice little frame by frame video that you can export and then use in your ads. Now, why am I telling you all of this? Well, I'm hoping that you look at this and find out some creative ways in which you can also use Canva in your business. And to give you some ideas, let's have a look at some of the templates that they have. So not just like Facebook posts, Instagram stories, but all of this cool stuff that you can do, business cards, YouTube thumbnails, of course, presentations. As you see here, they have these video based Facebook posts. They have these video Instagram stories. So these are just a few limited designs that you see here. If you open up, let's say one of these designs, it's going to show you a lot of other designs that are in the similar frame size. So if you see all of these here, so under all results, you keep scrolling and it'll keep giving you like a bunch of ideas on how you can use this particular frame to create your own stories. Another cool tip for you would be to first know like what you're supposed to create. Let's say you want to create a specific type of a book. All right. So under discover templates, just type in book. So Canva is going to show you all of these interesting ways in which you can use Canva. Book covers, bookmarks, photo books, coloring bookmarks, collage book covers, cute bookmarks. So you can actually pick up something from here. And I'm hoping that what you want to design is already listed here. Even if it is not, you can actually just create a custom dimension image and then start working from there. But just to show you an example, like even if you go into an abstract and a really small niche like cookbook book covers. So if you go here, you'll be able to find so many book covers that are around like recipes and cooking and whatnot. So if you are a digital marketer, you should be using Canva. It is going to help you not just in your professional work, but I can bet you sometimes it's going to come in handy in your personal life as well. I've actually created birthday invitation flyers for my now 4-year-old niece on Canva. Let me know how you have used Canva in the comments below. Make sure to hit that like button and I'll see you next time.